Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Rental Addicts. Here we are out with a new video, and the villa behind me is a 3 BHK villa named Carmello, and it's just 3.5 kilometers from Lonavala station near Varsoli toll naka. Not wasting much time, let's check it out.
Hey guys.
Hey guys.
So I hope you like the video. So it was a 3 BHK bungalow named Carmello. It also has a twin bungalow next to each other. Its name is Othelo. So if you have a very big family, say about 30 to 35 people, you can rent both bungalows at the same time. Also, if you guys know any bungalows or any farmhouse which you guys think that it should be featured in our channel, then please let us know. Our contact details and everything is mentioned in the description. Also, please like, share, subscribe to our channel Rental Addicts, so that every time we come up with a new video, you guys get notified for the same. Up till now, bye bye.
Bye.